There are always chances of getting mixed up with the features and capabilities of CloudTrail versus what CloudWatch does, and also with Cloud Config. In this lesson, let's go ahead and summarize and recollect these concepts so that will help us clear up any confusions you may have with regards to these three services. If you understand the difference between auditing, monitoring, and compliance, you're halfway through because this is what these three services accomplish. CloudTrail is our audit service. CloudWatch is monitoring. AWS Config is ensuring the compliance in your organization. That means CloudTrail reports on who made the change, when this change was made, and also from which location. CloudTrail also tells us what actions were performed on that resource. Let's understand this with an example, okay? So let's say you have an EC2 instance and someone restarted that from AWS console or probably using AWS CLI. You can see the who, when, where, and what of that event in the CloudTrail. CloudWatch on the side collects and tracks metrics, collects and monitors log files, and also helps you set alarms. All these log files are then stored in the S3 bucket. That means if there is a CPU spike on your EC2 instance because probably there's a script getting triggered, you can get notified, alerted with CloudWatch. CloudTrail and AWS Config do not do that at all. What Cloud Config can do here is report on what has changed and then focus on configuration aspects of AWS resources and how these resources were changed. So, going back to the same example of EC2 instance, if somebody logged in and installed some program or updated some kind of an application, you would see that on the AWS config dashboard. Maybe somebody is trying to change the key used for disk encryption. You would see this as well in the AWS config dashboard if you have configured the rules. I hope this demystifies the differences between the three services and what capabilities they gotta offer.